Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to pause Discord server invites. So first, open up your Discord server and then click on your server name or click on this arrow right here. Click on it and then go to server settings and then scroll down until you see invites and then click on invites. And then as you can see over here, there's an option here that can allow you to pause invites. So to pause invites, all you have to do is click on this button right here, press it, and then click on pause invites. You can also pause DMs if you want, and then you can set the duration for the pause. So for example, I'll pause it for 24 hours and then click on save, and then you are done. So if you want to enable invites again, just click on this button again that says enable invites, and then invites will be enabled again. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to pause invites in your Discord server. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.